The angle AB and C of a triangle are in AP, and A is to B is equal to 1 is to root 3. If C is equal to 4 centimeter, then area of this triangle is what here? So here they given ABC are in AP. Therefore, sum of the angles of a triangle here 180 degree. A plus B plus C is equal to 180 degree. Sum of the angles of a triangle here. Okay, since ABC are in AP, therefore here take this A as a B minus D, then plus write this B as it is here, then plus C is B plus D. Take as A as a B plus D is equal to 180 degree here. Where D is the common difference here. Okay, A is taken as a B minus D here, and the middle angle keep as it is, and the last angle B plus D. These three are AP here. Then minus D and plus D get cancels here. B plus B plus B, 3B is equal to 180 degree here. Hence B is equal to 60 degree. So angle B is 60 degree. And sine rule here. We know that A divided by sine A is equal to B divided by sine of B here. Then take sine B this side here, sine A this side and B this side, means cross multiplier. So cross multiply. So sine B into this one upon B. So A upon B here into sine of B, that is equal to sine A. And they already given here. Here A into B is 1 into root 3. Therefore A upon B gives 1 upon root 3 into sine of angle B is 60 degree. That is equal to sine of A, because A into B is equal to 1 into root 3. They are already given here. Hence A upon B is 1 by root 3. So angle B is 60 degree. Sine 60 degree is equal to sine A. Therefore sine of A is equal to, so 1 by root 3 into sine 60 degrees root 3 by 2 here. Root 3 divided by 2. Root 3 get cancels here. Sine A is equal to 1 by 2 here. So angle A is equal to 30 degrees. Therefore angle A is equal to 30 degree. Here A and B value, angle A and angle B. Therefore C is equal to 180 degree minus of A plus B. Therefore 180 minus of 60 degree plus 30 degree. So it is 90. 180 minus 90 gives so angle C is equal to 90 degree. Therefore sine rule here, A divided by sine A is equal to B divided by sine of B is equal to C divided by sine of C. Then A divided by sine A value, A is 30 degree, sine 30 degree. Then the B divided by sine of 60 degree, and they already given C is 4 centimeter. So 4 divided by, so sine of 90 degree. Sine of 90 degree. Therefore A divided by sine of 30 degree value is 1 divided by 2. Then B divided by sine of 60 degree is root 3 divided by 2. And 4 divided by sine of 90 degree is 1 here. Then taking the first and the last ratio here, So A is equal to 4 into 1 upon 2 here, it gives a 2. And taking last two ratios here, B is equal to 4 into root 3 divided by 2 here. Then here are 2 ones are 2 to the cancel, it gives a 2 root of 3 here. Therefore area of the triangle is 1 upon 2 AB into sine of CN. This is the formula. Therefore this equal to 1 upon 2 into angle A value is 2 here, B value 2 root 3 into sine of 90 degree here. C value is 90 degree. Therefore this 2 and this 2 cancels here. 2 root 3 into sine 90 degree is 1 here. Therefore the answer is 2 root 3 here. Therefore C is the correct option here. So sum of the series is what here? They are given here. Therefore here you can write this term as a summation of 1 cube plus 2 cube plus 3 cube and so on plus n cube divided by 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus and so on plus n here, where n is equal to 1 to 15 here, because 15 up to 15 term is there. So therefore summation of this when n equal to 1 to 15 minus of 1 upon 2 here, and even that one also summation of n here, here n is equal to 1 to 15 here. Therefore this is equal to summation of n is equal to 1 to 15 here. And you know the standard formula, sum of these terms gives n square into n plus 1 whole square divided by 4, and sum of this one here n into n plus 1 divided by 2 here, minus of 1 upon 2 into summation of n here again n into n plus 1 divided by 2 here, where n is equal to 15 here. Okay, n equal to 1 to 15 there. Summation of n is this formula, where n is equal to 15 here. Therefore here 2 ones are 2 twos are cancels here. n and 1 time n cancels, n plus 1 and 1 time n plus 1 cancels here. Therefore summation of n is equal to 1 to 15 here. N into n becomes n square. N into 1 becomes n here. Minus of here 2 into 2 becomes 4 here. 2 2s are 4. So put n equal to 15 here. So 15 into 15 plus 1 here. Therefore so next summation of again n square here. So summation of n square is n into n plus 1 into 2n plus 1 divided by 6 here. Then plus summation of n is n into n plus 1 divided by 2 here, where n is equal to 15 here. And here this minus 1 upon 4 here into 15 into 15 plus 1 becomes 16 here. So 4 ones are 4 4s are get cancels here. Now substitute n equal to 15. Therefore this is equal to, so 15 here. 15 plus 1 becomes 16. 15 to the 30 plus 1 is the 31 here, divided by 6. Then plus put in value 15 here. So 15 into 15 plus 1 is 16 divided by 2 minus of 15 4 is 60 here. This is 60. Then you can cancel here. 2 3s are 2 8 is 16 here. 3 1s are 3 5 cancels. Then 2 1 2 8 cancels here. Then 15 into 8 40 here. 40 into 31 here. 31 into 40 1240 here. Therefore 1240. Okay. Then plus 15 into 8 15 into 8 here 120 here. So right here 120 minus of 60 here. Therefore this is equal to 1240 plus 120 here. So 6 then 3 and 1 here. Then minus of 60 here. 1300 here. So I made a mistake here because here 1 by 2 is there. So you have to write 1 by 2 here. So therefore this is equal to 1 upon 2 here. Even here also this is equal to 1 divided by 2 and this is equal to 1 upon 2. Write these terms in the bracket here. 1 upon 2 here. Then here also. So this is equal to 1 upon 2 into these terms here. Then this is equal to 1 upon 2 into sum of these terms here. So 1360. 1360 minus of 60 here. Then divide it here. 2 6s are 12. 2 8 are 60. 680 minus of 60 here. So therefore it gives 620 here. So 620, first option is correct. So even this is also a similar type of problem here. So sum of the series here. You just observe here 3, 5, 7 and so on, they are in AP here. 3, 5, 7 are in AP. Therefore, here first term is 3 here and a common difference is 2 here. Therefore, Tn is a plus n minus 1 into t. This is the formula here. Then a value is 3 plus n minus 1 into d value is 2 here. Therefore, n into 2 becomes 2n here. 2 ones are 2, 3 minus 2 becomes 1 here. So 2n plus 1. Therefore, so Tn is equal to 3, 5, 7 and so on. It is 2n plus 1 here. Next 1 cube plus 2 cube, 1 cube plus 2 cube plus 3 cube and so on. Therefore, in the nth term must be 1 cube plus 2 cube plus 3 cube and so on plus n cube here. Divided by denominator 1 square plus 2 square, 1 square plus 2 square plus 3 square and so on up to in the nth term 1 square plus 2 square plus 3 square and so on here plus n square. Therefore, this is equal to 2n plus 1 is there. Right here 2n plus 1 into sum of these terms is according to formula n square here n plus 1 whole square divided by 4 here. Divided by and sum of this series so n into n plus 1 into so 2n plus 1 divided by 6 here. Then 2n plus 1 cancels here. N and 1 time n cancels. N plus 1 1 time n plus 1 here cancels. And 2 2s are 4 here and 2 3s are cancels. Take 3 to numerator, it becomes 3 upon 2 here. In denominator 2 is denominator 3. This goes to numerator, it gives 3 by 2 into n plus 1 here. N into n plus 1. That is 3 divided by 2 into n square plus n. This is the nth term here. Therefore, Sn is equal to summation of Tn here, 3 upon 2 constant here, into summation of n square plus summation of n. Therefore, this is equal to 3 divided by 2 into summation of n square formula n into n plus 1 into 2n plus 1 divided by 6 here. Then plus summation of n is n into n plus 1 divided by 2 divided by 2. Therefore, here we want up to 10th term. Sum of it 10 terms here. Therefore, yes, 10 is equal to, so 3 divided by 2 here. 3 divided by 2 into the bracket, put n equal to 10 here. So 10 into, so 10 plus 1 becomes 11 here, into 10 to the 20 plus 1 21 divided by 6 here, then plus, again put n equal to 10 here, so 10 into 11 divided by 2 here, divided by 2. Then this is equal to 3 divided by 2 into bracket, here cancel here, 2 3s off, then 2 5s off, cancels here, 3 1s are 3, then 3 7s are cancels, then 2 1s are, then 2 5s are cancels. Therefore, we can take a common factor here, 5 into 11, here also 5 to 11, so right here 5 into 11 outside here, then remaining is here 7 and here 1 here. Okay, 5 to 11 is the common factor here, so remaining term 7 plus 1. Therefore, this is equal to 3 divided by 2 into 5 into 11 into 7 plus 1 becomes 8 here, 2 1s are, 2 4s are, cancels here. Then 5 3s are 15 here, 5 3s are 15, 15 4s are 16, so 11 into 16, so 660, so 660. Therefore, C correct option is 660.